This machine we can make a full garment without any stitch.
So without any
Can you
stitch,
imagine? Like without any stitch, like just we feed the yarn and we get the full garment from the machine, and we don't have to do any stitch after coming the garment. Just wash it, press it, sell it, wear it, whatever you want to do it, do it. Okay, so this is a new latest technology. No ever in world is having this technology. We are only having this machinery. In India also we are promoting already our customers having these kinds of machinery. And
as an example, you are showing here.
Yeah.
This
yeah,
is
you
This
can see here.
okay.
This garment only is made on this whole garment Shima Sheki machine. There is no cutting and stitching over this garment. You can see in the back all this shaping has been done inside the machine only. There is no cutting. You can see this seam and the neckline of the garment. Even the undergarment is the whole garment. Even this is made in this machine only. Even this contains no stitches, and all this programming for this machine done on this software. This is our Apex system. You can see. Okay, so this is a system to support our machine, because we are talking English and Hindi. We understand our language, but machine do not understand our language. To make the machine understand, we code here, we make programs and we make patterns over here, and we load into that machine, and we get all the types of patterns we want to knit or we want in the form of garment.
Okay.
So for example,
As
you can see.
I already introduced whole garment. You can see in this garment you cannot see any stitch. Okay, even this
There is
pocket,
no any stitch.
there is no joining points you can see. Okay, and even this pocket is also coming out from the machine only. We have not joined this pocket, and even this button holes also coming out in this machine. You can see.
बस आपको डिजाइन फीड करना है और ये बना के तैयार करके दे देगा।
ये निटिंग का फ्यूचर है, ये निटिंग का फ्यूचर है। ये फ्यूचर में यही इस्टेब्लिश होने वाली हैं चीज़ें। दिस इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ निटिंग। ओके,
हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी को प्रमोट करते हैं, हम अपने वेस्टेज को रिड्यूस करते हैं। सिर्फ यही नहीं, हम जो अपनी सैम्पलिंग करते हैं वो भी हम डिजिटली करते हैं। हम अगर सस्टेनेबिलिटी को और सर्कुलर फैशन को प्रमोट करते हैं, जिसमें कि कोई भी वेस्टेज क्रिएट नहीं होता है। आज के जनरेशन में जब कोई सैम्पलिंग करते हैं, देखिए किसी इंडस्ट्री में इंटायर ईयर तक वो सैम्पलिंग ही करते रहते हैं, एंड दैट क्रिएट्स अ ह्यूज वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी, टाइम, एवरीथिंग। तो हम यहाँ पे डिजिटली सैम्पलिंग करते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं हमारे सिस्टम पे वहाँ पर बनी हुई है, जो कि मैंने डिजिटली बना करके रखा है। तो वहाँ पे भी हम सैंपल को रिड्यूस करते हैं। अल्टीमेटली जो हमारा अल्टीमेट गोल है, दैट्स टू रिड्यूस वेस्ट टू क्रिएट